pay attention to construction sites, right? It took me clearly up until this point to really become aware of the significance of what I'm about to share with you. So take, for instance, a construction site, right? It's basically nothing. It looks like nothing except for the equipment, a whole bunch of dirt, bricks, etc. 3 months later, it's like, okay. 6 months later, it's like, oh, okay. 9 months later, you like, yo, I remember a year later, considering the deadline, you like, oh shit, this wasn't here a year ago. Consider yourself like a construction site from the ground up. Believe yourself no matter what, y'all. Sienna, daddy loves you, baby. Always and forever. Trust and believe that. Yes, 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 y'all.